Hello, in this video I'll show you how to run DeepSeek locally. So it's a very easy process. So what you have to do is just simply open a browser and search for LM Studio and open the first link right over here. Now, once you're on the web page right over here, you will have three options. You can download for Windows, Mac and Linux. Now, depending on the operating system that you're running, just simply click on download and then it will start downloading the application. So just simply wait for a few seconds. So once the application is downloaded, just simply click on open and the installation process will begin. So click on next and just simply wait for the application to install completely. Once the application begins, as you can see right over here, the first thing that you should do is you have to create a new chat. So for doing that, click on new chat right over here. Now once you're inside the chat, the first thing that you should do is you have to create or download the DeepSeek model. So go to the search panel or the discover panel and just simply search for DeepSeek. Simply type DeepSeek and it should appear right over here. Now just simply click on this option right over here and that will give you the DeepSeek 7B model. Now if you want any specific model, you can just simply click on show more options right over here or just simply look for the options down over here. As you can see, there will be a lot of options. So let's say you want to just simply test DeepSeek right now. So there is a 1.5 billion model, so you can try that. So just simply enter 1.5 right over here and that should give you the DeepSeek 1.5 billion model, as you can see right over here. So just simply click on that and then it should give you the model right over here. Now once you have the model, just simply click on download over here and now the model will start downloading. So this is just the basic version of DeepSeek. If you want to go a bit advanced, you can try AB model, which is right over here, or if you have a very good computer, 32, you can go up to 32B models, as you can see right over here. So the 32B model is currently the equivalent to ChatGPT right now. So if you want something like that, you can get that 32B model, but just simply keep this in mind. The higher parameter model that you will download, the more computing power it will require to run. So 1.5B is the lowest and it will also require very minimum computing power, but in order for you to run 3270 or 671B models, you will need very high powered computers. Now once you have downloaded the model, as you can see right over here, click on load model and as you can see the model is currently loading. You will be seeing this bar at the very top. Now once you have done that, you're all good to go and you will also see the interface and it will kind of look like ChatGPT. You can directly ask questions right over here, as you can see right over here. And the difference between ChatGPT and DeepSeek is this thought process. So you can see that the AI is currently thinking about the particular question that you just asked. And in normal ChatGPT, it will directly give you the answer. It won't show you this particular box right over here. But in the current updates, ChatGPT have also added this feature. So this is one difference between ChatGPT and DeepSeek, as you can see right over here. And you can read the thinking process over here, what exactly the AI is thinking before giving you the answer. And if you're not interested, you can always close this box. Now, the reason we chose LM Studio is if you will download the basic version of DeepSeek, you can only run that in the command prompt. And in order to give this a better look, we used a GUI over here. So now, over here, you will have few more options in this GUI. Like for example, you can attach file URL or URLs, as you can see right over here. If you click on this option, you can upload files directly from your computer. And then you can click on send and do the same exact thing that you could do in ChatGPT. Now, the more important thing that you can do over here is you can add multiple models. So like for example, I have downloaded the 1.5B model right over here. I also have the 8B model and the 7B model for DeepSeek, as you can see right over here. Now, if I want to use a higher model or a better version of DeepSeek, all I have to do is just simply switch the model. As you can see, I will just simply click on the 8B model. All you have to do is click on load model and then a higher parameter model will start functioning, as you can see right over here. Now again, you can do the same thing and this time the thinking process and the answer will be much different and accurate. So that's how you can run DeepSeek locally on your computers. So that's it, and if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.